How to fix all install app not showing in TCL Google TV. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how can you fix all installed app not showing up in your TCL Google TV. In order to fix it, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Here's how you could do it. So now open up your device, and from the Google TV home screen, you simply want to go to settings. So as you go to settings, what next you want to do is select app from the settings menu, and what next you want to do is choose view all apps to see a list of installed apps, after which you should be able to see all of the install app on your device. If you are still having issue, then what you could also do is you could check for a software update, and you want to go to system, and there you should be able to see the about section, and you could find the software update whether it's available or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out as well, then you could also go ahead and try clearing your cache and data. In order to do it, so you want to select the app, then choose storage and cache and clear data, or you'll be able to see this force stop option. So you simply want to do that. That should be able to help. Or else you will also try uninstalling some of the unnecessary or unused application that's installed to your device. This might be consuming your storage, so you could try uninstalling or deleting it from your device. That could be able to help. Or despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works, you simply want to reset your device, and this is also going to erase all your data from your device's internal storage, including your account and all that. Only if you're sure about it, then go for it. Otherwise, just leave it as it is and contact the manual or contact support team. They will be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.